Hey, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be doing some Android Studio beginner tutorial. Just going to cover the basics of what Android Studios is about. Here in Android Studios we code in Java. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with Java or you're unfamiliar with Android Studios, then this is a tutorial for you. Okay, for those of you who have yet to download Android Studios, please go and follow a tutorial on how to download Android Studios. Okay, and then you can come back here. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to download Android Studios, you can put it in the comments and I might do a video on that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. All you have to do first is launch Android Studios, and then this screen should show up, and click start a new Android Studio project. Okay, application name, for application name you can put anything, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name my application Hello for Beginners. Okay, sorry, click next. Okay, and then click next, and then select empty activity and click next. Okay, name of your main activity, you can name your main activity whatever you want, but in this case we're gonna name it, we're just gonna keep the name as default, main activity. Okay, click finish. Wait for it to load, it will take a while. Still loading, still loading. Okay, when it loads finish, it should look something like this. Completed successfully. Everything is good. Okay, everything is good to go. Okay, so first I want you guys to click this so we can minimize this. Okay, to familiarize yourself with the workspace of this Android Studios, right, we're first going to talk about whatever on the left side here. So if let's say by accident you you click this and you click this, you close these two tabs and you don't know where to find them, you can find them here on the left side. Okay, click under project. Okay, make sure it's under Android. Okay, and open up app, click Java, click the first one, and then double click this, and it will open up the file that you previously closed. Okay, for the other file it's hidden here, resource, layout, and then this one. Okay, so here in Android Studios you have two files that we will be working on. One is XML file, okay, XML, and another is the Java file. As you can see, main activity.java. Okay, so these two files you have to know where they are. They are inside the Java file for the Java folder, and for the XML file it's inside the resource layout file. Okay, so coming over to, let's just close these, put some later. Okay, coming over to here in the XML, right? If you don't see this page, click this. Okay, you can alternate between the tabs. Okay, so here in the XML file, here in the palette, right, you have elements. Okay, so what is the XML file? XML file is where you design the user interface of your app. Meaning to say, whatever you put here on the XML file, right, it will be seen by the user visually. So what do I mean by that? Let's say I drag a button here and I throw it in. So you can drag and drop elements from your palette in onto the screen. Okay, as you can see, now this button will be visually visible to the users. Okay, maybe let's say I wanted to delete this hello world. Okay, so I can click this and I hit the delete button and it will disappear. Okay, let's say I wanted to throw in some text, I can drag and drop this in. Okay, let's say I wanted to put in an image, I can drag and throw it in as well. Okay, so ultimately the palette here, right, allows you to put in elements that you want the user to see in your application. So we will design everything, all the nice things will be placed here in the XML file design page. Okay, you can either choose to drag and drop the elements, or you can hard code it here on the text page, but we'll go into this later. For now, just looking at this page, right, these are the common elements that we will show to the user. Okay, a text view to show a text to the user, a button for the user to click, okay, images for users to either upload an image, or you want to show them an image, yeah, or the recycler view. We'll cover these later. So these three elements you have to get familiar with. Okay, so as for your homework, just play around with these three elements, drag and drop them, throw them in to see what's happening. Okay, image, when you throw it in, you have to select an image. Okay, let's just say we select this. Okay, it's a bit light, maybe we won't use this one. Let's just hit the delete, drag another one, let's just choose this. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, you can drag and drop these elements on the left into the screen for the users to see on their interface when they launch your app. Okay, so in order to change these elements, right, let's say you want to change the image of this, you want to change the text of this, you want to change the display text of the button, you can either change it here on the left where the attributes are, or you can change it here in the text page. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Okay, let's say I wanted to change the text here, text view. I wanted to change it to sup brother. Okay, enter. You can see the text here changed to sup brother. Okay, let's say I wanted to change the button to click me. You can change the text here, and then it will change accordingly. So yeah, you can change the attributes of the displays elements here on the left side. Okay, let's say I wanted to change the size of this. Okay, the width of the button, I want to make it like 500 dp. Oops, sorry about that. 500 dp. Yeah, as you can see now, the button is really large, doesn't even fit the screen. Yeah, but the idea is there. Okay, you can play around. So I want you guys to go and play around with these attributes on the left, okay, to get a better understanding of what is going on here in your XML design page. Okay, play around with these three elements and play around with the attributes on the left. Okay, the width, the height, the style, yep, what is this, text, the ID. Okay, all these are important, and so yeah, that's your homework for today. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.